Hello there. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to set auto welcome messages in your Rosebot, and these commands are going to be fully automatic, and I'm also going to show you how you guys can set up links and also add buttons to the auto welcome message. So if you want more interesting content and more tutorial videos like this more often, please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's see how many subscribers we can get on this channel before this year runs out. So for you to get auto welcome message in your Telegram channel, let's get this tutorial rocking. You need to search for the Rosebot right now, then you need to click on the start button. After starting the Rosebot, you need to head to the Telegram group. You want the Rosebot command to start auto welcome message. So you need to add the Rosebot as an admin in this Telegram group. And also the comment section is always open, so feel free and let me know what you think in the comment section. So as you guys can see, I've added the Rosebot as an admin, as a member in my Telegram channel. So I'm going to click on this Rosebot chat icon, then add it as an admin, as you all can see right there. So Rosebot is now officially an admin in my Telegram group. So guys, here is how to command the Rosebot to any welcome message of your choice. As you all can see, the first command is /welcome, leave a space, then put yes. After that, send it to the group right now, then it is going to bring this up. After bringing this pop-up message, you need to input the following commands again. So without talking much right now, I'm going to be zooming the video so everyone can see the required commands I'm using, and I'm also going to be displaying these commands on the screen right now. So you need to follow these commands carefully. You need to leave the space at the required place where I left it, as you guys can see in the video showing above. You can see the commands right there, and you can input the required message you want it to show instead of using mine. As you guys can see, after inputting the set welcome username bracket, inputting the bracket, I actually put hope you subscribe my YouTube channel, and if it is hope you followed my Instagram account. If you actually refer people coming from your Instagram to your Telegram channel or your Telegram group. So as you guys can see right there, I've actually sent this command, and this command has been saved. After this command has been saved right now, the next aspect of this video is showing you guys how you can actually use buttons and add links, like you told them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So as you guys can see, I actually just tested it and it is working fine. As you all can see, I tested it with another Telegram account. So the next step I'm going to be showing you guys right now is how you can actually use this command to get a button. So as you guys can see, I actually just copied that right now. I copied that command, and I'm going to show you guys how you can input the button. So inputting the button right now, you need to put a bracket at the required place. I need to follow my steps carefully. So you guys can see right now, just follow it while you watch this video carefully and I talk less. So guys, I just copied the command I used earlier from above right there, then I'm going to edit it. After editing it, you guys should put the required bracket, then put YouTube channel in the middle, then close the bracket back. Then also use this kind of bracket again, then you need to put the button URL, then close the bracket back. After inputting the button URL, you don't need to close the bracket, just put a double colon right there, then you need to input the YouTube channel link. So you guys should follow my tutorial as you guys can see in the video right now, then you need to use this command carefully. Even if it's a YouTube channel link or any other link you want to use, you can add any link of your choice. It is not compulsory you use a link of a YouTube channel. You can just use any link of your choice. So as you guys can see right there, I've actually added my Telegram channel right there. After adding the link, you need to scroll down if you want to add double link or 3 links. But I'm just going to be adding these 2 links in this video. So you guys can see I'm just testing the link I just added, the buttons I added using the code and command. So you guys can see everything is now working perfectly. And if I should click on the YouTube channel link right there, and you guys can see both the buttons are working perfectly. So if you guys are actually enjoying this video right now, and I'm teaching you how to set welcome messages in Rosebot on your Telegram channel, please hit the like button and also subscribe.